ಡೇಟ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಡೇ ಎವ್ರಿ ಡೇ. ಬೆಳಿಗ್ಗೆ ಎದ್ದ ತಕ್ಷಣ ನೀವು ಡೇ ಮತ್ತು ಡೇಟ್ನ ನೆನಪಲ್ಲಿ ಇಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ ಮಕ್ಕಳ. ಯಾಕೆಂದರೆ ಇದು ತುಂಬ ಯೂಸ್ಫುಲ್ಲು. ಎವ್ರಿ ಡೇ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿರಬೇಕು ಆ ದಿನ ಯಾವತ್ತು, ಆ ಡೇಟ್ ಯಾವುದು, ಆ ಮಂತ್ ಯಾವುದು ಅಂತ. ಓಕೆ, ಅದೆಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಯೂಶಲಿ ಮರ್ತೋಗುತ್ತೆ, ಬಟ್ ಯು ಡೋಂಟ್ ಫರ್ಗೆಟ್. ನೀವು ದಿನ ಬೆಳಿಗ್ಗೆ ಎದ್ದ ತಕ್ಷಣ ಅದನ್ನು ನೆನಪಿಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಇವತ್ತು ಡೇ ಯಾವುದು, ಡೇಟ್ ಯಾವುದು, ಮಂತ್ ಯಾವುದು ಅಂತ. ಓಕೆ, ಎಸ್ ಎಸ್. Before starting our day, we will go through little bit on the good habits. Good habits ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನಿಮಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಲ್ಲ, ಐ ಥಿಂಕ್ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಫೋಟೋ ಕಾಣಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ಅನ್ಕೊಂತೀನಿ. ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ನಾನು ಚಾರ್ಟ್ ಹಾಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ, ಗುಡ್ ಹ್ಯಾಬಿಟ್ಸ್ 1 ಅಂತ. ಓಕೆ, every day what you do, that only I want teaching you, because every day if I tell oral you may forget. I am showing with the help of the picture. One is rising early in the morning. Rising early in the morning ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಮಕ್ಕಳ ಕನ್ನಡದಲ್ಲಿ? ದಿನ ನೀವು ಬೆಳಗ್ಗೆ ಬೇಗ ಎದ್ದೇಳಬೇಕು. ಟೇಕಿಂಗ್ ರೆಗ್ಯುಲರ್ ಬಾತ್, ದಿನಾಗಲೂ ನೀವು ಸ್ನಾನ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಐ ವಾಸ್ ಟೆಲಿಂಗ್ ಯು ನೋ, ಎವ್ರಿ ಡೇ ಯು ಟು ಟೇಕ್ ಬಾತ್ ಟು ಕೀಪ್ ಯುವರ್ ಸೆಲ್ಫ್ ಹೈಜೀನ್. You can take once in a day or you can take twice in a day. It depends on your body sweating. Okay, if you play outside and if you get lot of sweating, you take once again bath in the evening. Anyhow you will wash your face and hands and till legs. Thinly you will wash your legs, no, after playing outside and coming inside, that you take in a bath time. Okay, wearing neat and clean uniform. When the school starts, you have to wear a neat and clean uniform. What is the clean uniform? You should maintain it by ironing that. You have to iron and wear a clean uniform. Then putting on a polished shoe. The shoe should not be very dirty. Every day you have to polish your shoes yourself. Try to do it yourself. Reaching school in time. Okay, every day you have to reach the school in regular time. Okay, don't rush to the school because you may miss the school hours, prayers, and you may punish also. So reach the school in time before 5 minutes. It is a very good time. Before reaching a regular time, 5 minutes is a very good time. Say bye to your mother when you reach the school. If your parents come there to leave you, you have to say the bye to your mama, because that is the symbol that you will be happy there. This is the ನಿಮ್ಮ ಅಮ್ಮಂಗೆ ನೀವು ಏನು ಹೇಳ್ದಂಗೆ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಬಾಯ್ ಅಂದರೆ ನೀವು ಹೋಗಿ ನಾನು ಸೇಫಾಗಿ ಸ್ಕೂಲಲ್ಲಿ ತಲುಪಿರ್ತೀನಿ, ನಾನು ಸೇಫಾಗಿರ್ತೀನಿ ಸ್ಕೂಲಲ್ಲಿ, ಆ ಥರ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ನೀವು ಭರವಸೆ ಕೊಟ್ಟಂಗೆ. Say good morning to your teachers when you reach school in the morning. When you see the teacher in the morning, any teacher, she may be of any teacher of any subject, you have to say good morning to your teacher when you meet her at first. Okay, if you meet the same teacher after some time, no need to say the good morning. When you meet her at the first time, you have to tell good morning in the morning. Listen to your teacher attentively. Okay, yes, no, whatever we will teach you, you have to listen it attentively. Why you have to listen? Already I told you, you have to listen it attentively because you may miss the important points. ಹೌದಲ್ಲ, ನಾನು ನಿಮಗೆ ಅವತ್ತು ಇಂಗ್ಲೀಷಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದೆ ಅಲ್ಲ. ಇಫ್ ಯು ಡೋಂಟ್ ನೋ ಹೌ ಟು make the word using the CDC words, or if you don't know how to frame the words using the side words or long vowels, you can't make any sentences ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕೆ ಆಗಲ್ಲ. ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಹೆಂಗೆ ವರ್ಡ್ನ ಓದ್ಬೋದು, ಫೋನಿಕ್ ಅಂತ ಸೌಂಡ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಹೆಂಗೆ ಓದ್ಬೋದು ಅಂತ ನೀವು ಕಲ್ತ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದರೆ ನಿಮಗೆ ಸೆಂಟೆನ್ಸ್ನ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕೆ ಆಗಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ದೀಸ್ ಆಲ್ ಆರ್ ಇನ್ ಎ ಚೈನ್ ಲಿಂಕ್. ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ ಯುವರ್ ಟೀಚರ್ ಕ್ಯಾರಿ ದ ಬುಕ್ಸ್. When you go to the higher schools, no, your teacher will collect the homework at once. Okay, you have to help her in carrying the books. Okay, help your teacher dust off the blackboard. You correct, no, after his period, anyone take it initiative and you can go and clean the board, because it will help not only you to all your friends to reach the lesson correctly. Next, prayer. Paying full attention to your studies. When you start reading or doing your homework, you have to concentrate only on that. Why you have to do like that? If you studying portions. Next is reading quietly in the library. When you go to the library, you all know that is the place where you get lots of books to read. The library is very calm and silent place, no? There you have to read quietly, not the murmuring type, like going and the sound background. You have to read it in your mind only. Don't open your mouth or don't murmur because it will disturb the others. Because library is a place where everyone will come there to read the books. Next, we all are good friends. We never quarrel with each other. This oath you have to take yourself when you come to the school. You should not quarrel or fight with each other. She may be or he may be your friend or just friend. You should not quarrel for small things. Okay? You adjust with them. That will be a very good environment. Next, we sing together, we play together. Yes, no? There will be all the activities. In this school also, you are learning some rhyme session, correct, no? That time, you all will sit and sing together. All the nurseries, play groups, LKG and UKG will sit together and sing, no? Like that, you have to sing together and also you can play together. Okay, keeping your statutes and proper place. Okay, after going home, don't throw your bags, lunch boxes or writing boxes, pencil boxes, books here and there. Keep all your things in a correct and proper place. Okay, next, taking your lunch on time. Correct, no? You have to take your lunch on time. It may be like 1 to 2 o'clock. You have to take your lunch every day at the same time. One day you will eat at 1 o'clock, another day you will eat at 3 o'clock, not like that. 1 to 2 you have to take your lunch time. Next, watching TV for some time. Allowing parents to watch their favorite TV programs also. You have to watch your TV in some time. You may fix the time like 5:30 to 6 or 5 to 6, like that you can fix the time for half an hour or 1 hour. Other times you have to allow your parents to watch their favorite. They may watch their serials or they may watch their news channel. You need to allow to them. You should not fight with them. That time I need a TV to watch the cartoon or some other things. Okay, children, this is the good habits what we learned in this chart. Moreover, most of the things you already know. Just I remind the same thing to you. Already you know that why the good habits are very essential in our life. Okay. Now we will move to our regular class. First, yesterday, just I reviving you. Yesterday we learned the English. Which one? R blends. TR, BR, FR, GR, CR. So many things we learned. PR. Okay, with that we learned how we can read the sentences, and I also gave you some what homeworks in your phonic activity and reading readiness book. You need to circle the starting blends, seeing the picture, and another one you have to circle the all the same blends family. Okay. Today we are going to learn with our mathematics. Okay, in the maths, till now what and all we learned? Big and small, and also the long. Big, bigger, biggest, small, smaller, smallest, long, longer, longest. We learned now how we learned the long, longer, longest. I have taken one pencil, an example. Okay. It is what we learned, long, longest. We learned long, longer, longest. Already I told you, you can compare things with the two means only long and longer will come. When you compare with the three things, only the longest will come. ನೀವು ಯಾವುದಾದ್ರೂ ಎರಡನ್ನು ಮಾತ್ರ ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ ನಿಮಗದು ಲಾಂಗ್ ಮತ್ತೆ ಲಾಂಗರ್ ಮಾತ್ರ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. If I take these as a these as a B and these as a C, if you take only BC, the long and longer will come. Longest will not come. The longest will come only there is three objects of the same kind. Okay, or different kind also. Okay. This is the longer, longest and longest. Okay, now we are going to the next thing, that is short, shorter, shortest. As you know, the short is the opposite form of the long. Yes, I will show you with the example of the same pencil how the short, shorter, shortest will come. Short, shorter, shortest. Okay, the heading is short, shorter, okay, this is long, okay, like that. Short, shorter, shortest. I will take here A, B and the C. Okay, A, B and the C. We will compare this picture with this picture. See, can you see which is the longest here? Yes, the pencil C is longest. Here the same pencil A. Okay, that is short. Okay, short, shorter, shorter. ಚಿಕ್ಕದು ತುಂಬಾ ಚಿಕ್ಕದು ತುಂಬಾ ತುಂಬಾ ಚಿಕ್ಕದು ಚಿಕ್ಕದು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಚಿಕ್ಕದು ತುಂಬಾ ಚಿಕ್ಕದು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಲ್ಲ ಹಾಗೆ ಶಾರ್ಟ್ ಶಾರ್ಟರ್ ಶಾರ್ಟೆಸ್ಟ್ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ you understood what is the when we come the shortest or longer only there is two of three when we compare the three objects the three sequence will come otherwise only the short and shortest will come here only the short and shortest will come if I take only two pencils this become the short and this become the shortest understood children yes I know you get a lot of confusion with this try to learn at home you will come to know okay I'll draw another picture for the same thing okay you try at home you draw the key at home okay I'll draw the scale here I go the same scale with an example of the long, okay? Can we take the same scale, same picture for the long? Yes. What will become? This will become the long. And this will become the longest. Sorry, longer. This will become the longer. And this will become the longest. Okay. Can you understood? Yes. This is the opposite for the longest and shortest. You can compare like this. Short, shorter, shortest. The opposite for the short is long. So, the small scale will be the long, longer, longest. Yes? Understood no? Yes, children. The homework is as usual in your mathematics readiness book. Okay? Page number 5. What they have given there? They have given the example of a key. Short, shorter, shortest. Take the picture and they have given some other examples of the bandage. Take the picture that is shorter and cross the picture that is shortest. First you write it with a pencil. All the three bandages, how you will write? Short, shorter, shortest. And then you can take the picture which is shorter and with cross the picture which is shortest. Circle the picture that is shorter than the other. Okay, only two is there, so there is no a shortest. Only the shorter will come there. Draw a shorter rule. Already I told you no. Shortest will come only when there is a three picture. If there is only two picture, what will come? The short and shorter will come here. Okay. Understood children? Short, shorter and shortest. Yes? Yes. Okay. Now we will move to another one homework. In your square book, example for big, bigger, biggest, small, smaller, smallest, long, longer, longest, short, shorter, shortest. Okay? Big, bigger, biggest, small, smaller, smallest, long, longer, longest, short, shorter, shortest. Take any example. You can take a earbuds picture. You can take a picture of the bandage. You can take a picture of the key. You can take a picture of scale, pencil, anything you can take. You have to write the picture of that. For to show me big, bigger, biggest, small, smaller, smallest, long, longer, longest, and short, shorter, shortest. Okay? This you have to do in your square book. Understood children? Yes? We will move to our next subject, that is EVS. In the EVS, we are going to learn the seasons. Seasons andre enu? Yes? Seasons andre enu? Yes, the seasons is nothing but a ಋತುಗಳು. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅದು ನಮಗೆ ಸೀಸನ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಅನಿಸುತ್ತೆ, ಹೌದಲ್ವಾ? ಯಾವುದನ್ನು ನಾವು ನೋಡ್ತಾ ಇರ್ತೀವಿ ಅಂದರೆ ಒಂದೊಂದ್ಸಲಿ ತುಂಬ ಮಳೆ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ಒಂದೊಂದ್ಸಲಿ ತುಂಬ ಬಿಸಿಲಿರುತ್ತೆ. ಸಮಟೈಮ್ಸ್ ಯು ಗೆಟ್ ಎ ಫಾಗ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಆಲ್, ಸಮಟೈಮ್ ಯು ಗೆಟ್ ಎ what heavy rain, sometimes heavy cold, correct? No, these seasons will change us from one month to another month. Andre particular months, 3 months actually in the olden days there will be a particular season for a 3 months. Okay, 3 3 6 6 and 6 it will become 12. For the 12 there was a 4 season. How many seasons are there, children? There are 4 seasons. Particularly it was a 3 season. Usually on a Tangar we will tell 3 season. What are those? Summer, rainy and winter. Summer, rainy and winter. Now they have bifurcated it into 4, that is summer season, winter season, rainy season, monsoon. Monsoon or the spring. Okay, summer, winter, rainy, monsoon or the spring. Spring ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅವಾಗ ನಿಮಗೆ ಅರ್ಧ ಎಲೆ ಉದುರುತ್ತೆ ಮತ್ತೆ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಚಿಗುರು ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಓಕೆ, ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ ಎ ಸಮ್ಮರ್, ವಿಂಟರ್, ರೈನಿ ಅಂಡ್ ಎ ಮಾನ್ಸೂನ್ ಆರ್ ಎ ಸ್ಪ್ರಿಂಗ್. ಓಕೆ, summer season. What is that? Summer season? Yes, summer season andre that is very hot. What and all will happen in the summer season? I am going to tell you briefly. Okay, summer season it will be very hot. You feel to wear a cotton clothes, very light clothes. Always you need to sit under the fan or AC, and you will feel like thirsty. You drink plenty of cold water. You like to eat the ice creams or the water which is kept in the fridge. Then what else in the summer season? Yes, you like to play in the water. You feel like you can go out and play in the water. And while taking the bath also you take very warm water or very cold water. You like to take a bath with a cold water, correct? These all are. And the food, what kind of food you like to eat in the summer season? Like watermelon, lot of juices and ice creams, all those things you will eat. And while going outside you prefer the umbrella before going and exposing for the sun. This is the brief of the summer season. Winter season. Winter season, as I told you, it's a cold season. Yes, no? In the winter season there will be lot of cold. So in the morning you can't get up in the early. You feel like to sleep some more time on the bed. That time you like to wear a woolen clothes. Correct? No, woolen clothes. And you feel it's very cold to step the feet on the your tiles and all, correct? No, on that time you like to have very hot milk, some hot chapatis or like some spices and all you like to eat, no children? On that time, yes, you like to drink very very hot water also. In that time when you go to take a bath, no, you feel to have a very hot bath. If you go on sitting in the bathroom also you feel like you will ಸ್ನಾನ ಮಾಡ್ತಾನೆ ಇರಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಅನ್ಸುತ್ತೆ ನಿಮಗೆ. ಇಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ಯು ಲೈಕ್ ಟು ಟೇಕ್ lot and lot hot water bath in that time, correct? No, after 6 o'clock you cannot come outside the house. If you want to come nowadays it has been reduced because so many vehicles are there, so many polluted, so you will not feel that much cold, children. But in olden days it was very cold. The people were not coming outside after the 6 p.m. or 7 p.m. Nowadays that much cold is not there. What I am telling to you, in some region they will face the same kind. Okay, that then the leaves will fall down from the trees. Okay, next is rainy season. As I told you, the rainy season is a season where you will face a heavy rain on that time. Okay, that time you will feel like staying at home only. If you want to go outside also, you will wear a rain jacket or you take a umbrella and you go outside, correct? No? And in the rainy season you feel to eat very hot one, like all the spices and that what will they know in the evening snacks, you will like to have that bhaji bondas and all, correct? No, your mama will do, no, in the rainy season outside rain will coming, you will mama will prepare some bhaji bonda vada and all at home, no, in the evening with the coffee and all. Yes, that is the rainy season. That time you can play with boat and all, because everywhere there will be rain water that will be moving in front of your house. It may collecting some dumps and all. That time you play with a water paper boat and all, correct? No, in the rainy season you can't see a much sun, always it will be rain, it will be all over. Nowadays when there is a rainy season in the Bangalore, they will face lot of inconvenient in the travel or spring. This is the season where there will be a little, it will be in 1 month like that. That time all the felt leaves will be grown, the new leaves will be grown on the trees. That they bifurcate to spring season. That time the season will be very pleasant to you. That is not too hot also, too cold also. That time rain will not come, the hair will be not that much chill. You can manage that season. That time it's not too cold, ಅಂದರೆ ನಿಮಗೆ ತುಂಬ ಚಳಿನೂ ಆಗಲ್ಲ, ತುಂಬ ಶೆಕೆನೂ ಆಗಲ್ಲ. You can be very normal in that. Okay, that is called a monsoon season. These all are the seasons we bifurcated into summer, winter, rainy, monsoon. Okay, these with elaboration we will learn tomorrow regarding what are the food we will eat in the particular season. Okay, before closing my class, today we are going to learn some in words in our Kannada. Already you know all the Kannada words alla ನಿಮಗೆಲ್ಲ ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ ಕನ್ನಡ. ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ನಾನು ಎರಡು ರಿಟರ್ ಬರೋಂಥದ್ದು ಒಂದು 5 to 6 ವರ್ಡ್ಸ್ ಹೇಳ್ಕೊಡ್ತೀನಿ. ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟೀಸ್ ಎಟ್ ಹೋಮ್. ಓಕೆ, ಮೊದಲನೇದು ನಮ್ದು ಅಕ್ಷರ ಯಾವುದು? ಹಾ. ಆ ಇಂದ ಏನ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಏನಾದರೂ ಗೊತ್ತಿದ್ಯಾ? ನಿಮಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿರೋ ಒಂದೊಂದೇ ವರ್ಡ್ ಹೇಳ್ಕೊಡ್ತೀನಿ, ಒತ್ತಕ್ಷರ ಎಲ್ಲ ಬರಲ್ಲ. ಹಾಗೇನೆ ಆ ರಾ ಕಲ್ತಿದ್ದೀರಲ್ಲ, ಸ, ಅರಸ, ಅರಸ. ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಒತ್ತಕ್ಷರ ಇಲ್ಲ, ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಯಾವುದೇ ರೀತಿ ಅಂದರೆ ದೀರ್ಘ ಇಳಿ ಏನು ಬರಲ್ಲ. ಇದು ಬರೀ ನಿಮಗೆ ನೀವೇನು ಕಲ್ತಿದ್ದೀರಾ ಅದೇ ಅಕ್ಷರ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ ವಿ ವಿಲ್ ಮೇಕ್ ಸಮ್ ವರ್ಡ್ಸ್. ಅರಸ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಆ ತ ಕಲ್ತಿದ್ದೀರಲ್ವಾ, ಆಟ, ಅರಸ, ಆಟ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ. ಆಕ್ಚುಲಿ ಇದು ಲಾ. ಲಾಗೆ ನಾವೇನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀವಿ, ಇದನ್ನ ಲಿ ಅಂತ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀವಿ. ಅದು ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಏನ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ, ಕಾಗುಣಿತ ಅಂತ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಇದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ ಈಸಿ ಆಗಲಿ ಅಂತ ನಾನು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ಇದು ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಕಲೀರಿ, ಇಲ್ಲಾಂದ್ರೆ ಇದನ್ನ ಬಿಡ್ಬೋದು, ಸ್ಕಿಪ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು. ಓಕೆ, ಆ ಅರಸ, ಆ ಆಟ, ಈ ಇಲಿ, ಈ ಈಶಾ ಅಲ್ವಾ. ಈಶಾ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ, ಈಶಾ. ಈಶಾ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಯಾರು? ಈಶಾಗೆ, ಈಶ್ವರಗೆ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಹೆಸರೇ ಈಶಾ. ಆ ಅರಸ, ಆ ಆಟ, ಈ ಇಲಿ, ಈ ಈಶಾ, ಊಗೆ ಉದಯ. ಉದಯ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು? ಎಸ್, ಸನ್ಗೆ ಇನ್ನೊಂದೇನೆ ಉದಯ ಅಥವಾ ಸನ್ ರೈಸ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಲ್ಲ, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಉದಯ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಊಟ. ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ವರ್ಡ್ ನಿಮಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆ ಮಕ್ಕಳ, ಇದು ನಿಮಗೆ ಒಂದೊಂದೇ ಇದೆ. ಸೊ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಲರ್ನ್ ದಿಸ್. ಐ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ರಿಟನ್ 6 ವರ್ಡ್ಸ್. ಅರಸ, ಆಟ, ಇಲಿ, ಈಶಾ, ಉದಯ, ಊಟ. ಆಯ್ತಾ? ಅಗೇನ್ ಐ ಟೆಲ್ ಯು. ಅರಸ, ಅರಸ, ಆಟ, ಇಲಿ, ಈಶಾ, ಉದಯ, ಊಟ. ಇದನ್ನ ನೀವೇನ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ನಿಮ್ದು 2 ಲೈನ್ಸ್ ಬುಕ್ ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಫಾರ್ 2 ಲೈನ್ಸ್ ಬುಕ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ 4 ಟೈಮ್ಸ್ ನ ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟೀಸ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಇದನ್ನ ನಾನು ಝೂಮ್ ಮೀಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಿಮಗೆ ಇದು ವರ್ಡ್ಸ್ ನ ಡಿಕ್ಟೇಷನ್ ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಲರ್ನ್ ಅರಸ ಆಟ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಈಶಾ ಉದಯ ಊಟ ನಾನು ಊಟ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ ತಕ್ಷಣ ನೀವು ಬರೀಬೋದು ಯಾಕೆಂದ್ರೆ ನಿಮಗೆ ಊನು ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆ ಟಾನು ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆ ಒತ್ತಕ್ಷರ ದೀರ್ಘ ಅಥವಾ ಯಾವುದೇ ಕಾರಣದಿಂದ ನಾವು ಬಳಸಿಲ್ಲ ಸೊ ಇಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ಈಸಿ ಫಾರ್ ಯು ಟು ಲರ್ನ್ ಸೊ ವಾಟ್ ಯು ಟು ಡೂ 2 ಲೈನ್ಸ್ ಟೇಕ್ ಯುವರ್ 2 ಲೈನ್ಸ್ ಬುಕ್ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಯು ರೀಡ್ ನೀವು ಓದಿದ ತಕ್ಷಣ ನಿಮಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಅದನ್ನ ನೀವು 4 ಟೈಮ್ಸ್ ಬರ್ದು ನೀವು ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟೀಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಓಕೆ that's all for today enjoy your day and do complete all your homeworks on a daily basis bye